Hello everyone, it's Steve here from Got to Be Clean, Carpet and Upholstery Cleaners in Sunderland. Just want to do a quick little video reference to the importance of doing a good vacuum at least 3 times a week. It's important also to have a decent vacuum cleaner and keep all your filters and everything clear. This is a little Sebo Dart, and here I've got a demo filter on the top, just to demonstrate what actually sits inside your carpet. Now this is a property without any pets, no children, and just 2 people occupy the property. If you imagine how much would be in this filter if you had pet hairs, etc., bits of stuff from the kids. So once again, very important, a good vacuum, not only for keeping your carpet clean and protecting it and making it last longer, but also for your health reasons, because all this you're breathing in, it goes into your lungs and etc. More so if you've got asthma or anything. So I'm going to take the filter off now. It's going to get a bit shaky because I'm doing this one-handed. But this filter and that. Okay, so that's basically your filter. As you can see, all the debris that's been trapped, that wasn't seen from the naked eye but was deep down into the fibres. Let me just remove this, bear with me. Okay, that's the cap off now, and as you can see, this is what is sitting on top of the filter paper. I wouldn't like to eat it. I wouldn't like to let my children lying on it. I wouldn't like to walk on it for that matter. But that's what's in everyone's carpet. This is just from a small house. Just the bedrooms. Let me just remove this off the top. There you go. That's your filter paper. And there you go. Once again folks, for all your carpet and upholstery cleaning needs in Sunderland, give me a ring, Steve Swinney at Got to Be Clean. You can go on my website www.gottobeclean.co.uk, or you can call me direct on my mobile 07561 867 808. Thanks for watching.